Hi everybody. Today I'm back here by the old building and I have a surprise. One of Dad's friends came and was probing around and he decided there could be a possibility of a privy right here next to the old building. And we've been looking for one in this part up here by all the ranch buildings. So as you can see, I've been sifting for stuff in this area, but now I'm going to go a little deeper. Let's see if there's anything down there. Now, funny thing is, this was all covered by an old shop. So this would have been the back corner of the shop if this is indeed a privy. You can see that the building was hooked on right there. So this building is an 1880s building. So I don't know if this privy was before the shop or during the shop. Let's check it out. This is actually the first time I've ever dug for bottles, so I'm very excited. Okay, I've got it dug down to about the level I dug already, and I have this kind of a heavy piece of metal. So let's keep going. Well, I haven't found anything yet, and there's a layer down there that Dad calls hardpan that I guess is in this sandy soil around here. So if that's the case, then this is a wild goose chase, but we're going to get the probe and check. So probably not a privy. Well, I found this little piece of metal, and I don't know what it is. It was just on the surface. Looks kind of greenish. Well, guys, there's nothing left to do now but to fill in the hole. This ground right here is very easy to dig. It's like this sandy loam stuff. And so when using the probe, it went in very easily, and then it hit that crusty stuff down there and pushed through. So it sounded like there was some, old trash down there. So, but there's nothing. So let's fill it in. Well, how does it look? I filled it in. And see that stick right there? From here over to the building, I have sifted over there to the rocks. And these are all my finds I've found so far. So I still want to do some more sifting over in this area where the dirt is. This was where there was an old shop. So keep finding some interesting stuff. I found an old copper wedding band over there just on the surface one time, and some Model T parts. So what I'd really love to find is somebody's old coin they dropped. Let's find out. As you can see, some of the trees are starting to turn their fall colors. So it's inevitable. It's coming. This is a view of our current house site with a different house sitting there, and the poplar trees are very young. Since my video was so short this week, I included some old pictures for you to see how the ranch used to look back in the day. The original landowner was there from 1883 to 1923 when my family bought the place. Here are some pictures of my family before they came to this ranch in the northern part of this county. Dad sporting some Roy Rogers gear. And here are some modern pictures that I've taken. Here's a close-up picture of the chimney rocks from last week's video, right across the canyon. Join me in these videos for some more treasure hunting on this old ranch. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.